Observe the below example. Many students make the same common mistake. Today, let us learn how to continue the long division to get 0 in the quotient. Let us solve 203 divided by 5 by applying the below rules. Let us apply rule 1. Take the same number of digits from the left of the dividend as the divisor has. In this case, the divisor has only one digit. So, consider only one digit from the left of the dividend. In this case, that is 2. Observe the number considered 2 is less than the divisor 5. So, division is not possible. So, look at the rule 1 again. If the number less than divisor, take one more digit. In this case, consider 0 also. Now, the number becomes 20, which is greater than the divisor 5. So, as per the rule, if the number is greater than or equal to the divisor, then divide. 5 fours are 20. So you will get 0 as the remainder. Now rule 1 is complete. In this case, rule 2 is not applicable because 203 is not a decimal. Let us apply rule 3. When digits are available, bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, bring down 3. Now, rule 3 is complete. Now, the number is 3, which is less than the divisor 5. So, division is not possible. Let us apply rule 4. If the number is less than the divisor, write 0 in the quotient. Then multiply divisor by 0 and subtract 0 from the remainder. In this case, 5 zeros are 0. So you will get 3 as the remainder again. Now rule 4 is complete. Observe 203 is an integer and there are no more digits on the dividend to bring down. So let us apply rule 3 again. When no more digits are available, if integer dividend, put a decimal point in the quotient and in the dividend. Then add 0 to the right of the decimal in the dividend and bring down 0. Now rule 3 is complete second time. Observe. Now the number is 30, which is greater than the divisor 5. Now let us apply rule 4 again. If the number is greater than or equal to the divisor, then divide. 5 6s are 30. So you will get 0 as the remainder and 40.6 as the quotient. Now, rule 4 is complete second time. Observe, the division is complete because no more digits of the dividend are left to bring down, and the remainder is 0. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of long division and divisibility rules, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist from beginning to end.